Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly take you guys through the assignments for the week. So before you start class, always check inbox here for any emails I may send out and also announcements. So for our assignments for this week, it's going to be a real quick week since there's no school on Wednesday. You guys only have 3 assignments for this week. So if you go to week number 3, quarter 2, we are not Zooming, but if you need to Zoom, please email me so I can set up an appointment. I'm always available for office hours every morning from 9 to 9:50 a.m. and I can meet with you during class time if you need to meet with me. But hopefully these videos help you out that you don't have to do it. You can just watch the video and complete the assignments easily. So you have 3 assignments. They're all due Friday, so you have plenty of time to get them done, but don't wait till the last minute, please. So you have a PFT sit and reach, which I'll talk about in a moment, yoga quiz, a fitness, and then a fitness log. If you have any questions regarding the assignments, please email me, reach out, send me a message right here. When you click on inbox in Canvas, you can email me. So let's get into the assignments. So if we go to modules, it's going to be set up in week number 3, quarter 2. And once again, all assignments are available. They were available as of Monday, and then the due dates are all Friday. So we have the video, the instructional video, which you're watching right now, and then your PFT Backsaver Sit and Reach info. So if you click on this file, it's going to give you information on how to perform the Sit and Reach test. So once you read through that, you look at the example. Once you're all done with that, you're just going to hit next. Okay, and very important, please watch this video. You're going to have, after this, you're going to have a 1-question quiz based on this video, so please watch the video in its entirety. It's only a couple minutes long, and then once you're done, you're going to hit next, and then it's going to just ask you one check for understanding question about the video. Okay, so once you've done that, all you do is to do that, you're going to click take the quiz, and you'll complete the 1 question, and you'll be good to go for that assignment. Next activity you have for the week is your fitness logbook. So you're going to go to discussion number 2 and the exercise research project discussion. There's 2 ways to get there. If you click on the link, it should take you to the discussion number 2, which is right here, and then you're just going to find a workout. You're going to find a workout from a classmate. You can scroll down, pick any of the workouts, and all you're going to do is just find a workout and click reply, put your name, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and do the workout. And then let me go back into the assignment. And then once you're done with the workout, you're just going to submit your assignment in the fitness log. So you're going to get 5 points for writing down your name on the assignment on the discussion board. And then you get 1 point for letting me know what workout you did, who created the workout, and how long it actually took you to do the workout. Even though the person that created it might have said it takes an hour, 30 minutes, whatever, let me know how much time it actually took you to do it. And then you're going to rate the rate of perceived exertion, how difficult it was, and you get 2 points for that for a total of 10 points for the assignment. Okay, so you're going to make sure that you include all that information right here when you click submit assignment. Best thing to do is you can put it on a file or just send me a message in text entry. If I click in this format here, you could just fill it out and write down whatever you need to, and then you just hit submit assignment. Okay, so obviously I can lie and say I did HIIT training, and it was created by student X, and it took I'll say 35 minutes, and the RPE was, maybe it wasn't that hard, it was a 6, and that's all that you need to do, and you hit submit, and you're good to go. And you know that you submitted it. If it says resubmit, that means you've already submitted it. Okay, say you messed up. Oh, I put the wrong student's name. You just go back to text entry, and you can refill out this, and then hit submit once again, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's the fitness logbook assignment, And then if you go to the last one is going to be your yoga quiz. So there's a little bit of reading involved with this week's quiz. So you're going to read these 2 files and then you'll take the quiz. And once you're done with the quiz, reminder, it's a 30-minute quiz. And you have 10 questions. So you're just going to read this information. Once you're done taking the quiz, you're all done with assignments for this week. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, email me. If you need to Zoom, I have some newcomers into this class, so please send me a message so we can set up a Zoom with you guys. I'll be happy to meet with you, but a lot of the time these videos are helpful enough that you don't need to meet with me. But yeah, send me a message anyways if you want to. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good week.